Hey guys. Hi, what's going on? Ow, I totally haven't, I don't know, fix that, I guess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming on my phone because I don't feel like dealing with the camera right now, so we're just gonna film on my phone. We ended up getting some more stuff from Ulta. Ulta had another 5 times the points, and you guys know how I do. If you are an Ulta member, I highly recommend you stock up on things, get what you want when there's 5 times the points, because, well, I guess it varies. It could be 2, 3, 4, or 5. I don't know. It depends on your status, basically, but since I'm diamond, it's 5 times the points, and your girl's not gonna miss out on that. Ended up getting some stuff. I think there's a couple of random things. Yeah, this is from Temu. This is another spa headband, not related to the haul at all, but it's in here. I'm gonna throw it in my bag for vacation. If you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. Let's just jump right in. Of course, now these are available, but at the time when I bought these were only available for Diamond and Platinum members, which was the new Tree Hut Ocean Glow set. And I bought these without smelling them, just thinking, you know what, if it smells bad, I'm just gonna return it. It smells like something that I had from Victoria's Secret. I just can't pinpoint what it was. If it was a Victoria's Secret scent, if it was a pink scent, it was exactly like that. It smells really, really nice. These have hyaluronic acid, green microalgae, and rainbow algae in them, and they are obviously part of their little glow collection since they have the Tropic Glow, which dupes Sol de Janeiro. The body wash is glittery and pretty, so like, hello. I'm going to be using this this summer without a doubt because I've been dwindling down the stash trying to do that because I'm over it. I did get a few makeup things, some stuff that I've been wanting. I got 2 powders. They're both by Laura Mercier. One is the translucent loose setting powder, which I really like, and then the secret brightening powder, which if you've been here as an OG, you already know I'm obsessed with this powder. I just hope it still works well, but I got both because you can never have too much powder, and I go through powder like wicked fast apparently. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation in 1W2 sand, so I hope that this is not like too crazy looking. Maybe not, I don't know. It's very hard to match your foundation online, but I've seen so many TikTokers use this. Michelle Paz uses this and she loves it, so I really just wanted to try it for myself. This was a stupid you, Sam. Stupid you. Stupid my bank account. This was a really dumb purchase, but I've actually been wanting this for a while, so I guess it's not that dumb for me. This is the Chanel I can't say it, but it's in Soleil Tan Bronze, and it is the, I've never owned anything Chanel in my life, so this is exciting. The Chanel bronzer, cream bronzer, very excited. It smells, oh god, that stinks really bad. You know what's the funny thing about fancy stuff like this is, like, you would think Tree Hut, for example, this smells amazing and it's cheap, but like expensive, let's make it smell like, how does that work? Got that for summertime and to use in general. I don't know, I just like to change up my cream bronze a lot of the time. I ripped up this packaging, but I got the new Strawberry Squeeze Me lip balm, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Laneige one, which I have and I do love, but I just, you know, you can use a change. So this one, strawberry, and I guess it's a little bit smaller than the original packaging, but it's very cute. So very excited for that to throw in my bag. I'm already thinking about next year and like redoing like my badge buddy and a whole bunch of stuff on my badge, so like don't mind me. I'm already thinking about next year, even though we have summer to get through. And I also got this NYX Fat Drip Lip Oil in Mist Call. I've seen it everywhere, and oh, I think this is a lip oil when it's like a gloss, but I don't know. We'll try it out and see how I feel about it. Otherwise, it's gonna go back. Some stuff I already bought that I showed you guys, like the vitamins, the Rem Beauty Gloss, is going back. I don't like it. Nail stuff. This is not from Ulta. These are from Temu, but I got some more press-on toenails that are French manicure with cute little stuff on them because I'm extra. So I got those. I don't know why I got a few Temu things in there. I don't know why. Magnetic brush-on glue. I love the Kiss one, but I really love the Glamnetic one as well, so I got it in a big size. We got some Kiss toenails that I had last year. I've really been into press-on toenails because why spend money on a pedicure? Why even bother like to put gel polish on my toenails when I can just put fake ones on and live my life? So I did get some Impress toenails as well in, what is this one? This one's called Golden Days. It's a really pretty blue with like a little shimmer on there. And then this one's called Glacier Lake with pink, and the big toes have like that swirly pattern everyone's into, which I don't understand, but live your life. Hair things from Sunbum. This is the heat protectant, which is great for when you're in the sun and also when you use your heat products, obviously your hot tools. I really like this one a lot, and I love that you could shake it. And I really love the sprayer on this. Like, this is just really, really good. I love it a lot to protect my hair, especially since I'm blonde and bleached and I break all the time. Then I got the blonde tone enhancer. Hello, wow, I don't know where I was going in that. The blonde tone enhancer, also from Sunbum, that you leave in your hair, and it's, again, protects against UV rays, all that stuff. So this will be coming to the beach with me because I want to stay as, I mean, on camera it probably looks a little bit, but I try to not be as brassy as possible. Like, I'm not about brass. I want to be as like bright as possible. It's also from Temu, which is random. I got another little bookmark for one of my books. I have a watermelon one and now I have a lemon one. Very cute. I got another Hero Force Shield sunscreen for your face to put in my bag just in case like I forget to put sunscreen on or whatever. But I always have face sunscreen with me in the summer, and obviously beyond the summer now, I just love to keep my face protected at all times. It's important, especially now you're getting older. So I got for free with the Tree Hut stuff, I got this bag that says I need vitamin C, which is cute. And then I feel like this was supposed to be part of their like birthday cake collection. It says spoonful of glow, and you use this for your body butter or your scrub, and it even says on the back, it's only as intended, not food grade plastic, do not use to eat. So you heard it here first, folks. I don't know, I feel like they were selling these at one point. Maybe I'm wrong. This is random. This is also from Temu. I got a whole bunch of like, what do you want to call them? Ombre booty benders, just cause I got rid of a lot of mine and I need to restock. So we got those, and then I got some free sample things from when I bought the Estee Lauder foundation, but I don't think I'm going to use those. So yeah, there's that. That's everything that I got from Ulta, and I guess also Temu, since they were in there anyways. And I just can't wait to have summer hours and to be out of work an hour early. The days definitely go, I feel like they go by faster in the summer. From my experience from last year when I worked summer school, the days went by really fast. So it's like, you know what, just tough it out and it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna get ready to go on my walk, but I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell notifications, you know when I put up. We're gonna start it all over. This is no. Love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications, you know when I post a new video. I am trying to get back to 2 a week, but we've just been struggling and doing 1 a week, so we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.